Hey, crypto enthusiasts in India! For the past few weeks, I kept hearing whispers about this new AI-driven crypto trading platform from friends, Telegram groups, and even a few fintech influencers I follow. Naturally, my curiosity got the better of me, and I finally gave it a try. And honestly, I'm seriously impressed. If you've been wanting to get into crypto trading but found most platforms too complicated, too risky, or just not user-friendly, you're not alone. I've been there myself. Many platforms talk big, but fail to deliver where it counts. But then I came across something that genuinely stands out. It's called Immediate Neon. Unlike many apps out there, Immediate Neon is a fully automated, AI-powered crypto trading platform. And while it was originally designed for Canadian users, it now supports global traders, including users in India. What makes it different? It's simple, smart, and beginner-friendly, even if you've never traded before. And here's the best part. I got access to an exclusive invite link that unlocks a special welcome bonus not available to the public. It's a limited-time offer for early users, so if you're curious, don't miss out. You'll find the link in the description. So, why consider Immediate Neon? First of all, it's completely automated. The AI scans global markets 24/7, placing trades on your behalf. No staring at charts, no technical stress. Whether you're a total beginner or just tired of manual trading, it handles the heavy lifting for you. What about results? Users have reported daily profits between 9,000 and 24,000 Indian rupees, with some seeing monthly returns up to 70%. Naturally, crypto markets fluctuate, but the big win here is consistency and automation once you're set up. Security? Covered. Immediate Neon uses top-tier security, end-to-end encryption, full KYCAML compliance, and secure cloud infrastructure. Your funds and personal data are protected, so you can trade with peace of mind. Getting started is easy. It connects with top global exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Just link your wallet, activate the AI, and you're ready to go. Need help? Their support team is available 24/7. And yes, they now cater to Indian users too. That exclusive invite link, it gives you access to more than just the platform. You'll unlock bonus features and a welcome reward that gives your portfolio a strong start. Bonus: smarter AI equals smarter trades. Immediate Neon's AI doesn't just follow simple trends. It uses advanced machine learning to improve over time, adapting to real-time market shifts and helping you get better results the longer you use it. You can also control your risk settings, from stop-loss levels to strategy preferences and asset choices, while letting the platform handle execution. And yes, this is a legitimate, transparent platform created by professionals who understand finance, AI, and the needs of modern investors. They even offer live onboarding sessions for new users, a big plus in a space where support is often lacking. So, if you've been waiting for the right opportunity to explore crypto, this might just be it. With powerful automation, a user-friendly interface, and robust security, Immediate Neon helps you trade smarter, not harder. Click the link in the description to sign up, claim your welcome bonus, and start building your portfolio the intelligent way with Immediate Neon.